So the seat bed arrangement from a quality German manufacturer fully meets Ford safety standards. ISOFIX attachments for baby seats, as you'd expect. Mounted in these very secure floor-mounted runners, the seat moves forward to the desired position. If you want to eat with 5 of you, the table in place here. If you want more space in the back, you can move right back to the back. That gives you an enormous amount of load space in the front to do your cooking, whatever you want to do. And of course it folds down into a bed, in which case you move it forward to the right position again. Now once you've decided which position you want the seat in, especially if you're travelling, it's important to lock it securely in position. To do that, simply find it in the right place, operate the foot pedal, and there you are, it's locked. To release, press down on the pedal, pull the lever, and release. When it comes to converting it into a bed at night, simplicity itself, fold down the rear portion, lift the trailing edge and pull forward. This then swivels out, pull the release lever, and that folds down. You've got a nice, soft, comfortable mattress. Putting it back, of course, a reverse of the same procedure.